Okay, is the Axtracker getting checked out? It's 12:15 p.m. Sunday. It's 21 degrees roughly. I'm going to go over here to the spelling unit, see what he's at. It's about 32 degrees. Come over to the LPC. He's at about 21, 22 also. Okay, so much for that. See how they're tracking. They're all tracking pretty close, at least the LPC and the Axtracker. Okay, here's the tracker test I was told to do on the Axtracker. Disconnect wires number 5 and 6. 1 or 2 minutes it should park. And right now it's 12:17. Unfortunately, I don't have a second hand because I don't own a watch, and this doesn't do seconds, so I'm going to disconnect the wire. Lost my hand stuck in the camera. I would just take out number 6. Apparently it doesn't matter which one. Okay. Now, there's wire number 6 disconnected. It's now showing 12:18 p.m. And so far it's not parking. So just bear with me. Oh, my battery's going dead too. This is priceless, of course. I expect nothing less. I'm going to shut the camera off here for a second because it may die. So if it starts parking, I'll click it back on. Okay, it's 12:20 p.m. The little red light went out, but no parking. So what does that mean? I don't know. Oh, look at this. It's parking. A little green light just came on, and she's parking to the east. How about that? So I guess that proves it was the foam tape was making this thing screw up. Alright, now it's searching for the sun because in reality it's not dark, I guess. Alright, well that's cool. At least it's working. Okay, I know a battery's going to go any minute. I just put a piece of t-shirt over the LEDs. So if this goes into park mode again, like it just did, it should park and stay parked. And not go right back to 20 degrees again like it just did. So I shut my camera off because it's going to die any second. Okay, here's another live action shot. It's 12:32 p.m. Sunday. I put a little smiley face on. I've hooked the wires back up. I've got rid of the t-shirt covering the LEDs. Now I'm going to turn this back on and see what it does. There's supposed to be a delay, but not necessarily for the west. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on. It may just jump right over to the west. And exactly what it did. A little green LED is on. That means power to the eye is on. That little green LED goes out apparently. These yellow wires, there is a little LED next to the two big east-west LEDs. See, it just shut off. Now this little red light will turn on in 5 minutes because it's going to sleep now. It went to bed and it's going to wake up in 10 minutes and check the sun. 5 minutes, I mean. So if it deems in 5 minutes, say it just did it. If it decides it needs to move, it's thinking about it. It's not quite dialed in, apparently. And there it is. She's going right back to about 22 degrees. She's still sampling.